LMH and today is all about desserts. As I became an adult, one of my favorite desserts happened to be cheesecake. So that is exactly what we're making today. And you know, you've always heard the saying, good things come in small packages. Well, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna make some mini cheesecakes. So let's go over the ingredients. We have 12 digestive biscuits. Now this will be for our crust. If you don't have digestive biscuits, you can use graham crackers or any kind of cookie, but today we're using digestive biscuits, 12 of them. 4 tablespoons of melted butter. And for our filling, we have 2 packages of the cream cheese filling, 226 grams each. We have half cup of white sugar, 1/4 cup of sour cream, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Now this is optional, but we're using it today. 2 eggs, 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance it out, and some cherries for our filling. Crust, we're going to use a food processor. If you don't have a food processor, you can just get a bag, put all of your biscuits in a bag, and then just roll them with a rolling pin. But I'm going to use a food processor. It's much easier. So once we have our biscuits inside, we're going to pulse until it becomes like breadcrumbs. Now just to take a look, it looks just like breadcrumbs, but now we want it to look like wet sand. So we're going to drizzle our melted butter, and then we're going to pulse for the final time, and then we're going to get ready to put our crust into the whatever. Now just look at it. Once we would have added the butter, our crust should look like wet sand. And it's important that you should be able to take a bit of it and put it in your hand, and once you can actually squeeze it and it holds a shape, you know it's ready. If it doesn't hold its shape, you can add a little bit more butter. Our crust is finished prepared. We're gonna take it out of this container, rest it in this bowl for a few minutes, then we'll go on to making our filling. Now it's time to mix our filling. So we have our cream cheese ready. It's nice and soft. Make sure your cream cheese is at room temperature. We're gonna blend it first. I'm using a hand mixer, but if you have a stand mixer, you can use that. So we're gonna blend. Now we're gonna add our sugar. Rather than put it in all in a clump, try to drizzle it around. We're gonna mix again, make sure everything is fully incorporated.
Make sure you scrape all the sides down. This is a really important step. It is one way to guarantee that all of the ingredients are fully mixed in.
We're gonna add our sour cream. We're gonna add the essence. We're gonna add our 2 eggs. Of course, we're gonna add the salt to balance it out. And we're gonna add our cornstarch. Mix until it's nice and fluffy, light and silky. Once you've achieved that consistency, you know that your cheesecake topping is ready. assemble our mini cheesecakes. So we're gonna use a small container, I'm using a tablespoon, and we're gonna add some of the crust. We don't want it to be too high, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna fill all of the crust up, and then I'm gonna add some of the filling. Actually, I'm gonna show you a couple of them, and then I'm gonna go ahead and fill them off camera and get ready to bake. So at this time, you're gonna go ahead and preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So once we have our crust in, I'm gonna use a small glass because you know we need to get nice and dainty, and we're gonna push down the crust to make sure it's nice and flat. We want a nice layer of crust to the bottom. So I'm gonna use something small to make it nice and flat in these adorable mini cheesecakes, which are just perfect for any type of outing. Now I'm gonna add some of our cheesecake filling. Once again, I'm gonna use something small, and we're gonna add it just to the top. Take your time, make sure we fill it all the way up so that we completely cover all of the crust. This is perfect for special occasions. If you have a party, if you have an event, tiny bite-sized mini cheesecakes. So once we would have filled them all, I'm gonna go ahead and put them in the oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. Halfway done. I would have removed it from the oven, allowed it to cool. Now some persons can use it like that. Just take it from the oven. Once it has cooled, just add your toppings to it and it's delicious. But I like my cheesecake cold. So I would put it in the oven I'd put it in the fridge for a couple of hours until it really chills down. Then I'll add the dressing. So add the topping. Then our cheesecake will be done. Now we're going to remove the paper to reveal gorgeous, delicious looking, and I'm sure delicious tasting cheesecake. And you can clearly see the crust, and you can see the cheesecake topping, cheesecake filling. Now we're gonna just add one tiny cherry on top. You can decorate your cheesecake with blueberries, you can use cherries, you can even use strawberries. Color is important, so I love to have red at the top of my cheesecake. And it is done. It's time to taste one mini cheesecake. This can literally be gone in one bite, but I'm gonna take 2 bites. So delicious. Great things come in small packages. Mini cheesecakes. Now you need to try it. Now if you enjoyed this mini cheesecake video, I need you to look over here, see some of my other desserts, and once you've watched them all, just click the button below, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And remember, leave me a comment. I love hearing from you.